The foundation of success. Career development is not just about finding a job. It is a lifelong journey of self-discovery, preparation, and strategic growth. The career development roadmap. Phase 1. Self-assessment. Understand your values, interests, and strengths. Phase 2. Goal setting. Establish smart, short, and long-term objectives. Phase 3. Skill mapping. Identify the technical and soft skills required. Self-assessment. Knowing your why. Psychometric tool. Utilize online score or GMPI assessment to find natural professional inspiration. Core values. Clarify values like work-life balance, stability, or social impact for better alignment. Passion and skill. Perform a skill inventory to separate what you love from what you are good at. The essential skill set matrix. Column 1 shows the category. Column 2 shows the skill type and example.